Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on extracting the hard drive from your HP ProBook and converting it into an external storage device. Let's dive into the tools and steps you'll need to follow. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and prevent any static damage to components. Begin by powering down your HP ProBook completely. Unplug the power adapter and remove the battery if possible. This is essential for your safety and to avoid any electrical issues during the extraction process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Typically, there are several Phillips screws securing the panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place for reassembly later. Remember, if you're unsure about handling screws, we can assist you with a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the screws are removed, use a plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious and avoid applying too much force, as this could damage the panel or internal components. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. With the back panel removed, locate the hard drive. It's usually secured by additional screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you need help during this process, don't forget that we offer pickup and delivery at your home to assist with repairs. Now, carefully lift the hard drive out of its bay. Be gentle, as hard drives can be sensitive. Once it's out, you may want to clean the internal area of your laptop to ensure optimal airflow and performance. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. To convert the hard drive into an external storage device, you'll need a hard drive enclosure. Choose one that matches the size of your hard drive, typically 2.5 inches for laptop drives. Insert the hard drive into the enclosure and secure it as per the manufacturer's instructions. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can understand the costs up front. After securing the hard drive, connect it to your computer using the USB cable that comes with the enclosure. Your operating system should recognize the external drive automatically. If it doesn't appear, check your connections or refer to the enclosure's manual for troubleshooting tips. Congratulations! You've successfully extracted your HP ProBook hard drive and converted it into an external storage solution. This process not only allows you to recover important files but also gives you the flexibility to use your hard drive as additional storage. If you encounter any issues or prefer professional help, remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to assist you with any tech needs you may have. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your new external storage. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.